Hello YouTube, this is Stuart5 and I want to do a unboxing and kind of a review for the Nike Air Force Ones. I got these in Foot Locker UK, so this cost around me £59.99. Um, in US they probably cost $98 or $90+. I'm not really sure, but that's my estimate. Um, I'm a real sneakerhead for kicks and everything. I used to live up in USA, but then we had to move over here because of my dad's work. So I have a lot of sneakers, but not the Air Force ones. I used to have Adidas, Chuck Taylors, I have Supers, but then I watched this video about sneakers called Just for Kicks, and I've seen a lot of history with this Nike Air Force, and before I even saw that movie or that documentary, I love the shoes. I want to get one. I want to get one. Um, so now I've got one for my birthday. Uh, I was pretty excited when I got these. So let's look at the box. You got Nike Air Force One. Uh, you got the Air Force One 07, and you got the price tag there, and you got some kind of manufacturers or Nikes. So yeah, let's open it. Firstly, you get this kind of certificate of authenticity, which means they're real. Um, so here we are. Nike Air Force. These are pretty cool. Nike Air there. Uh, what could I say? These, it's been here for a long time, Nike Air Forces. Um, these are just really, they're really nice, looking fly and everything. I also have some pair of Jordans, some J's, but it's the Nike Air Force that I really wanted to have because the history of them. If you want to watch the documentary about the kicks, just type in YouTube Just for Kicks, and you'll know a lot of things about these shoes and every shoe sneakers in USA. Uh, I haven't worn. I've tested them at the Foot Locker when I was buying these, and they feel really comfortable and really nice. So I think it's really worth buying these shoes for 69, no, £59, £59.99 or $98 if you say in US. But if you know any good cheap sites that is real, like could save me some money, just PM me or comment it below, because Air Forces aren't that cheap. So if you just have any like kind of sites that you know that you buy your Air Force from and they're real, please do tell me, and because I want to be a collector for the Nike Air Force ones. So thanks for the help. If you'll probably give some sites to me. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, that's about YouTube. Um, the Nike Air Force Ones. Alright, bye YouTube.